Okay, guys, we need to talk. You guys might know me as a kid that plays VR a lot and Roblox. If you guys play Roblox, you need to get this game. If you have a VR, though, obviously. This is Animal Rivals. If you guys play Roblox Rivals, you probably know what this is. It's a copy of, what is it? Rivals. So, yeah, you can see I have a shotgun now. And if I could switch it, I got a Desert Eagle. I got a punching glove. I've got a grenade launcher, grenade thingy. But you guys should get this game because, well, it's technically a copy of Roblox Rivals, but it's in VR. So, guys, please get this game because it's really fun. If you guys join the code J1, I'll be in it. You guys can play with me, and I can help you get some money in the game. So, thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.